coming along. New shelves and the rest is all white. I'm ready for day 2 of renos. Just finishing up my coffee. We already had a slight change of plans this morning, but that's okay because I've been here getting a lot of things done. I actually edited a vlog, but besides that, I did a bunch of like moving things that I needed to do. I needed to like finish booking the elevators at my new place and just like different coordinating. So I got all of that done, and then I'm actually starting to pack. I'm getting a little bit anxious about how overwhelming it is and how much I think I'm underestimating it's going to be to move all of my stuff. My parents are on their way down again this morning because today we're actually starting to paint. Last night was just like cleaning and prepping. So today is going to be the big day. While I'm waiting for them to get down here, I'm going to start clearing out some things in here. I have a bunch of old furniture on my balcony, which actually wasn't even mine. It was already here when I moved in. So I just kind of kept it out there. I don't use my balcony. I don't think I really talked about this, but this current place faces another building. So if I'm on my balcony, people can see me. So it's not really a place you want to like go and lounge. Anyways, so I never really went out on there, and so now I'm just gonna clear out that furniture. It's all dirty and old and like starting to rust. It was never mine to begin with and not worth any like resale value. So I'm just going to bring that down to the garbage room here. And I think that'll make me feel better about like starting to clear things out. Then I'm gonna pack up the rest of my things. There's a few more things that I need to bring over. So I got like my chandelier delivered here, so I need to bring that over. I'm really excited to open it up and check it out. Hopefully nothing arrived broken. That's like my big fear, and we're gonna dive right in. We've been here for a little while and we are making progress. What I'm doing right now is my light bulbs that I got for my pendant lights, which my dad is working on installing right now. They have writing around the bulb, and when you screw it in, you can still see that writing. So what I'm doing, taking a really sharp blade like this and going around the light bulb and scraping it off. It actually works. Being very careful not to scrape the glass. So you can see, I guess it's hard to really see because it's clear, but this side doesn't have any more writing and this side does. All about attention to detail. We still only have to do this to 2 light bulbs. And that's the finished light bulb. No more writing. We have pot lights. So we're here for day 2.5 of renos. These are some of the updates. In here, we got the closet all kind of like built in, so there's gonna be 2 shelves and then the pole. These are the shelves here. Not too much in the bedroom here that is different. Over here is where we've made the most improvement. So now we have pot lights there and 2 pendant lights here. Good morning. Welcome to day 4 of renovations. It's coming along, but I feel the way I look, like exhausted and so tired, and my body is so sore. But today is officially move-in day, so most of the renovations are done. We're just finishing up some things this morning, 9 a.m. I'm waiting for my internet person to come install. I guess this is my first time being here by myself. So most of the painting is done. We're cleaning up today, finishing off a few things, and then moving all of my stuff in, which is the most stressful part in my opinion. But I'll give you guys a quick tour and update of everything so far. So starting from the door, we have the pendant lights that are up. They look so pretty and make such a big difference in the kitchen. Then the pot lights are officially installed, so there's 5 of them. And this side is all white, the walls. And then when we move on to this side, we have the gray, and then the gray follows to here, the entryway, and the rest is all white. Everything was like a yellowy cream color before. It looked not as fresh. And then in here, the washroom is just white as well. So my new faucet shower head is being installed later today. The shower, you won't really notice, but this part got redone. Not that you really care. And then in the closets, we installed new shelves and new bars. In the bedroom here, there's not as many updates. The walls are all painted white, but this wall here, so this was what the color was before. You can tell it's like so much more cream. This wall wasn't painted because it's going to be wallpapered. I don't think we're gonna get to it today, so this will probably be a weekend project. These are the doors that go on the closet. So again, new shelves and a new bar in the closet here, and the doors go back on. The carpet's getting ripped up and installed later this week. And then these blinds here, these are all cleaned. They were so gross and grimy. They're not that cute. I don't love the texture on these blinds. They're expensive to replace, so for now they're staying. I just cleaned them, scrubbed them. It took me so long. But yeah, that is about it for updates. I'm so excited. Everything is coming together. Nervous for the actual move, like I said, but I'm excited that everything is coming together. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you. In the kitchen here, I cleaned all the cabinets and wiped everything down really thoroughly, so I'm ready to move all my stuff in today. But look, I got I got new dishes, and they're so nice. They are like a low plate like this, and then they just have a little rim. So that is the end of this renovation vlog. Much more to come. In the next vlog, I move out of my apartment and go back and clean it and say goodbye and all of that. Many more vlogs to come. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I do just want to say a huge thank you to my family for helping me through this move and all of the renovations, because they are champions, and it was a very tight timeline. I should have planned differently, but that's what happened. So thank you so much to my loving family. I am so grateful for all of their help and just for everything that I have. I'm just so lucky and very grateful. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you for all of your positive feedback and congratulations and everything. So thank you so much for your sweet comments. I've been reading every single one on these vlogs. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.